what you can do with the maze game is while using your finger, which is something that Abu Bakr came up with, he helped me out with that part. What you can do is you can use your finger and go through the maze from start to finish. And if you did, you win that level, go to the next level, begins again. As you can see, with my settings screen, you have a lot of personal things you can put in there, like nickname you want, whether it be your regular name or just a nickname your friends give you, your email address, a password, birth date, and gender. And I wanted to speak a little bit about what went into making that settings screen. When we accepted the man promise or person promise, Tariq went out and bought us each a book. He bought me the Teach Android in 24 Hours book, if any of you have heard of that. The author just leaves my mind. But what I did was, if you could scroll to the XML picture, what you see here is a line of code which basically builds that screen, what that screen looks like, the view part of the screen. At the top, under Android background, that you see a relative layout. What I did with that relative layout, as you can see, it says Android layout with match parent, which is going to match the screen of whether it be a tablet, or it be a phone, or it be any other platform. The same with the layout height. It's going to wrap content around what I put inside of it. And what I put inside of that are these two image views that you see up there. One of the image views, they're both the same picture, which is a little green maze icon that you saw on the setting screen at the top left and top right corners. And what I had to do is that Android layout width is kind of like an imaginary box that you can be able to put things into, and whatever it is, it'll just wrap to the content. Saying if I put a picture the size of the screen on it, that imaginary box is going to wrap around that picture. Unless if I were to put match parent, it would wrap around that and the screen. And that's not what you want to do, because you have other things that you want to put on there. And that's basically some of the steps that I had to take from what I've been taught by Tariq and Dean and even some of my colleagues over there that you're going to hear from. And that's it.